Smart Money Nation, welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing our segment on how to become a notary signing agent. By this point, we've talked about so many things. If you've missed out from the start of this video segment till now, make sure you go click the playlist in my YouTube channel and check out how to become a notary signing agent playlist, and you'll be caught up. Today I want to talk about the top 5 signing services that you want to make sure you signed up for so you can get business and volume for your brand new signing agent service that you're offering, right? So you want to make money, you want it to be consistent, you have to sign up with these top signing services. So let's get started. I'll catch you guys in the next tab. I guess, y'all know how this works. We do this every day, so y'all should know by now.
Hey, hey,
All right, so the first one is signingagent.com, and this is default. As I explained in the previous video, if you already have signed up with the NNA, which you should have, if you are a signing agent, you have signed up with the NNA. So by default, you will be on signingagent.com. With this one, you just want to make sure you log into your NNA profile and just edit your profile, make sure it looks nice, make sure you have a professional picture up, make sure you have a nice bio put together, everything. Make sure that the experience, the years of experience, like I said, you're gonna have to cap, make sure it's at like 1 to 2 years. Make sure you're logging into these websites daily to show activity. Show that you're active. They could see when the last time you logged in is, and that kind of can determine for them, like, how active is this person? Is he active? Is he or she active? Or are they just, signed up a year ago and never, touched this thing again? So first one is signingagent.com, and I would list the links in the description below, so just make sure you keep an eye out in the description below, and we'll talk about the bio and everything else in a second. The second one, which I feel like is the biggest one, this is my profile here, is snapdocs.com. Okay, Snapdocs is probably, just from experience, I'm telling you this, Snapdocs is going to be where you get the most volume from. The most business that you're going to get is going to be from snapdocs.com. I feel like they are the biggest signing service in the country. So it is a no-brainer for you to sign up with Snapdocs. Once you're signed up, make sure you upload a professional photo. Make sure you do a professional bio. Upload everything they ask you for. You need to upload your commission, your notary commission from your state. You got to upload that. Your errors and omissions, insurance. You got to upload that. You got to link your NNA profile to this so they can make sure that you've passed your NNA exam. Your background check, they're going to get from the NNA profile as well. So that's the reason that we paid for the background and the exam. You see how that ties in now. So all of that needs to be here. Make sure you put a good phone number that you can get text messages from, because that's how 99% of the jobs that come in is going to be via text. Good email, just in case you missed the text, they will email you, or some title agencies do email you the documents. A lot of times you get them right on here and you download them, and this profile is what you use to kind of This profile is what you use to kind of communicate with the title companies throughout the time that you have that particular job. Second one, best one, snapdocs.com. If you don't sign up for anything else, make sure you signed up for this one. The second biggest one is signingorder.com. Okay, signingorder.com is a huge signing service. You want to be signed up. Same thing goes here. Professional photo, professional bio, upload your commission, your insurance, link back your NNA profile for the exam, and the background check to be good. Because if you don't have any of that connected, if you're missing one, you're not going to get these jobs. So just make sure everything is done when you sign up. Next one is Notary-.com, another one. I would say this is in the order that you'll get volume from these companies, is SnapDocs being the most, then Signing Order, then Notary Dash. Notary-.com is another great signing service. Make sure you're signed up. Do the same thing. I would honestly just have everything ready and sign up for all of them at the same time, because it's going to be a repetitive task. So I would just open up different tabs with all of them, just like I have here, and just do it all at the same time. The fourth one is Notary Cafe. Notary Cafe is not as huge as the first three, but it is definitely a huge company to make sure you're signed up for. You will get some jobs here too. The purpose to sign up for all of these, you want to sign up for as many as possible, because you want to keep your days busy. You want to be getting notified of different signing jobs every day, multiple times a day. So you want to sign up for as many of them as possible. Over 97,000 signings done in the last 12 months. They have over 80,000 agents on here, $10 million, over 4 million searches. So it's definitely, I wouldn't recommend becoming a pro member. You can sign up for the free profile for now. If it's up to you whether you want to become a pro member or not. I'm not. But if you find it valuable, hey, why not? Come back, put it in the comment for us. Let us know that it was a good experience. Or if it's a bad experience, let us know too. And the final one is 123 Notary. It's probably where you're going to get the least volume of business from, but it is another one that you want to sign up for. They do have a good community here. So if you want to learn a few things as far as the documents are concerned, questions and things that you have, they have a forum that you can jump into, which is great. They have different courses they can spin you to. So this is definitely a good one to sign up for as well. As far as when you're signed up, let me bring this in a little bit, okay? So I have a nice little Google Doc sheet that I use to kind of put together these videos a lot of the times. If anybody needs this for any of the playlists that I have, as far as like how to become a notary signing agent, independent courier, different things, I have massive amounts of Google Docs that I actually write a lot of the stuff that I do videos on. So just put it down in the comments and I'll shoot you an email with it. So as far as the bio is concerned, here's a very simple, good bio you can use when signing up. Here I have one. So so in the midst of this, it says, hiring me for your signing will ensure that your borrower has the best signing experience. I meticulously go over each and every document to ensure that signatures, dates, and initials are completed and properly filled out. Okay. So this is a decent bio to start with. If you wanted an idea of like what to write, I just wanted to throw that out there. I want to show you guys my bio that I have on SnapDocs. 1 second. All right, so I had to cut out some of my personal information before I started recording this. I actually used the Element Inspector on Google Chrome to kind of hide it. But anyway, so I have more things filled out. This is what I read to you guys just a second ago, but I also had added this, okay? I also triple check key documents such as notice of right to cancel and 1003 to ensure they are filled out properly. If on the rare occasion a mistake is made, I will stop what I'm doing and fix it ASAP. The document will be returned promptly and on time as soon as the signing is complete. I'll also keep you informed throughout the whole process. You can be confident that you have quality signing. You have a quality signing with me. I'm looking forward to working with you, right? So this is a great bio to add onto yours. So feel free to pause this and I don't know, just jot this down or get a good idea of it. Or if you want, I can send this to you. Just leave a comment in the description below. In the comments below, and I'll do that. Or feel free to reach out to me via Instagram. I'm on Instagram at SmartMoneyNation. With that being said, that is a wrap for this video. I hope that was helpful. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. Hit the like button, leave a comment. Appreciate you guys. Check out all the rest of the videos on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey. Hey.